Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Flipside option not show. Let's get started. So if you have trouble with your Instagram app, you can go to a app icon, hold the icon, tap app info, and try to clear some space. You can clear cache here, or even clear data. You can log in later. You can re-log in and get back to your Instagram account and go to the setting and activity. Here you can go to your profile and tap three stripe at the top of your screen. This is the account center setting activity. So you can tap this help option. You can report problem here. You can shake phone. You can turn off the shake phone to report a problem and click or tap this report problem, include and continue, and you can type report to the a customer service help. My Flipside not show, and then you can send this report to the Instagram a customer service. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.